Hello, everyone. My name is Jason Witzel from the Memphis, Tennessee area. I joined Wholesaling Inc. on January 21st of this year. And once I signed up, I followed the instructions given by the coaching program, and without any wholesaling experience at all. And since then, I have closed 2 deals, and actually closed both of those deals last 10 days. Actually, one was for $17,500, and the other was for $3,000. And I just want to say thank you to Tom Krol, Cody Hofhine, and Bill Rafter, and all the other members of the tribe. You guys are all go-givers, and I couldn't have made a better choice of signing up for this coaching program. Thank you.